Kushti is a form of combat wrestling originated in India wherein the wrestlers practice the sport on mud and by becoming a disciple of the Akhada under a guru who runs it. Traditionally, Akhadas are places where the Pahalwans live and train along with their guru and learn the art of wrestling. In the Hindi belt region, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, and Haryana, the Akhada culture is quite famous. Kalaripayattu, also known as Kalari, is an Indian martial art that originated in modern day Kerala, a state on the southwestern coast of India. Kalaripayattu is known for its long standing history within the Indian martial arts. It is believed to be the oldest surviving martial art in India with a history spanning over 3000 years. Kho is a traditional Indian sports game, being one of the oldest outdoor sports dating back to ancient India. It is one of the two most popular traditional tag games in the Indian subcontinent, the other being Kabaddi. Kho is played by two teams of 12 nominated players out of 15, of which 9 enter the field who sit on their knees, called the chasing team, and 3 extra, called the defending team, who try to avoid being touched by members of the other opposing team. Tug of war is a sport that pits two teams against each other in a test of strength. Teams pull on opposite ends of the rope, with the goal being to bring the rope a certain distance in one direction against the force of the opposing team's pull. The origin of the game in India has strong archaeological roots going back at least to the 12th century AD in the area what is today known as the state of Orissa on the east coast of India. The famous Sun Temple of Konark has a stone relief on the west wing of the structure, clearly showing the game of tug of war in progress. Malakam is a traditional sport originating from the Indian subcontinent in which a gymnast performs aerial yoga or gymnastic postures and wrestling grips in concert with a vertical stationary or hanging wooden pole, cane or rope. The word Malakam also refers to the pole used in the sport. The pole is usually made from shisham, also known as the Indian rosewood, polished with castor oil. 3 popular versions of Malakam are practiced using shisham pole, cane or rope. Kabaddi is a contact team sport played between 2 teams of 7 players. The objective of the game is for a single player on offense, referred to as a raider, to run into the opposing team's half of a court, touch out as many of the defenders as possible, and return to their own half of the court, all without being tackled by the defenders and in a single breath. Points are scored for each player tagged by the raider, while the opposing team earns a point for stopping the raider. Players are taken out of the game if they are touched or tackled, but are brought back in for each point scored by their team from a tag or a tackle. Sports is a great connector across countries, ages, religions, and even socio-economic statuses. It is equally important to teach our kids about our culture and tradition as it is to teach them New Age concepts. It is vital that they know their roots and have a sense of pride about it. By playing Indian traditional games, children can connect with their heritage through sports, which has a deep, lifelong positive impact on them.